Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can disable timeline snapping over on Premiere Pro. So basically, if you want to precisely snap over on your timeline and it's just not capable of doing that because you have this snapping on basically and you don't know how to turn it off, then in this video I will show you how you can do this. So it's really easy, just make sure you're in a project on Premiere Pro, head over to the top left corner of your timeline. So right here we have this timeline, basically this box right here, head over to the top left. You will find your basically your playhead position, and just under that you will find these options. And then right here, what you just simply need to do is just hover around this magnetic icon basically, which you can simply disable, and then you will notice that snapping is just disabled, as you guys can see right now. And then in order to enable that enable snapping again, just click on that magnetic icon again, and then snapping will be enabled, as you guys can see again. What you can also just simply do is type S over on your keyboard, and that will also disable snapping. But yeah, that's basically all you need to do. If you learned something from this video, then please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.